If you want to turn off your Apple personalized ads on iPhone 16e, so first of all, open up your settings. After that, we have to scroll down to our privacy tab. There it is, privacy and security. So here we gotta find our Apple advertising. There it is, open it up, and here you'll find your personalized ads and switch near it. Simply tap on the switch to turn it off, and basically that's it. However, keep in mind that it won't make your advertisement, it won't make the show in our advertisement less, unluckily. However, they will become less relevant. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Please consider subscribing to our channel.